Want to show some love to your colon or large intestine? Look no further. Hi everybody, welcome back to the second Beauty Juice series. Our gastrointestinal tract goes through a lot day by day digesting food. The colon or large intestine plays an important part. Maintain its health with this juice recipe. These are all the things you need.
Stars and moon, sun. I would love to be that one. I'd love to be the one to make you.
I am using this Granny Smith's apple. It has a tangy, tart, sour taste and it will give an extra fresh twist to the drink. Granny Smith's apples helps aid with digestion and serves as a barrier to protect our immune system. It is high in non-digestible dietary fiber, low in carbs, and helps balance out the good bacteria in our gut. As with apples in general, it is high in polyphenols. Use half a lemon to squeeze. We will only need 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, so for the remaining you can store it in the fridge for other uses. I am a big fan of lemon because it is so versatile. Its high vitamin C is antibacterial and antiviral. It is a detoxifying agent which is perfect for the colon and boosts our immune system. Peel off a thumb-sized ginger, another one of my medicinal favorites. It contains hundreds of compounds of metabolites and high in gingerols and shogagols. The phenolic compounds help relieve gastrointestinal irritation, stimulate saliva and bile production, and suppress gastric contractions as food and fluids move through the GI tract. Put the Granny Smith apple and ginger in the juicer.
I could sit and listen to you talk.
Now, add the water into the mix.
Throw away the clock. I'd love to hear each thought upon your mind. I'd love to hang on close to every.
Put in 2 tablespoons of lemon juice.
'Cause all the shades of blue.
1 teaspoon of sea salt.
Put a golden frame around my heart. 'Cause you made.
Also add 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar. I love Bragg's, a cult favorite, but you can use another brand if you want as long as it's natural and contains the mother. Inidia, Clean Your Colon by Zevaulia.
You like to.
Why it's so important to have a healthy gut, especially colon, is that it will boost your overall health and make you more radiant.
If you